Tactical, practical self-defense in the power of your hands is here with the Guard Dog Katana. This revolutionary device brings together a high-lumen flashlight, concealed prong stun gun, and a steel point striker, all combined to provide a multifaceted self-defense tool for your daily carry. With a quick activation, you can shine 400 lumens of blinding light with 3 light settings. Slide the function slider up and activate the high-voltage stun gun with a single-handed operation for swift use in immediate and immobilizing defense. The Katana is also equipped with a back-end steel point striker that can be used as an emergency glass breaker or as a self-defense weapon that will surely take down any assailant. By using all 3 features of the Katana, you can tactfully ward off an attacker by identifying, stunning, and striking. The innovative design ensures optimum grip for high-stress situations with a finger-indented handle. Also included with the Katana is a handmade leather holster with belt loop for easy carrying. Never be left without a battery. With home and car charging capabilities and including chargers, you can ensure full power at all times. Backed by a lifetime warranty, the Guard Dog Katana is the most durable, versatile self-defense and non-lethal protection designed for law enforcement and military, available to consumers. Get yours now at authorized Guard Dog retailers worldwide.